how to actually make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing helps you earn money online by promoting other people's products and services. It is a great way to generate passive income after the initial effort of getting people to see your affiliate offers. I know from experience that beginners find it difficult to understand how to make money from affiliate marketing. There are so many resources on the internet about the topic and people making all types of claims. How to make money while you sleep with affiliate marketing is a popular one, which creates a big confusion. But it doesn't have to be this way. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, and it's for real provided that you follow the right strategy. In this video, I'll give you the exact steps to follow to succeed with affiliate marketing and start making money. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it won't happen overnight, but for sure it's the best approach and it works. 30% of the income generated from this blog is coming from affiliate marketing revenue and is increasing steadily year by year. 1. Create a content-rich website. With affiliate marketing, you make money by referring people to the products they need. Some affiliates use their social media profiles or YouTube channels to share products with potential buyers. However, the most common and effective way to get people in front of your affiliate products is to have your own website. With a website, you can publish high-quality content that attracts visitors and motivates them to continue to the product's website to complete their purchase. If you don't have a website yet, you can easily create one with a website builder, such as the one provided by Hostinger on all their hosting plans. The key to getting results from your content is to produce a mix of both informational and promotional material. If all you do is promote one affiliate offer after another, your audience will be less likely to take your recommendations seriously, and you minimize your chances of getting the attention of Google and Google traffic, which is needed for long-term success. Instead, you want to focus more of your efforts on providing value to your readers. Over time, this will help you build trust and a connection with your audience. It will also allow you to position yourself as an expert in your industry. 2. Get targeted traffic from Google. As you enrich your website with high-quality content, you'll need to devise a strategy for driving people to your site, to click your affiliate links, and ultimately make purchases. There are several ways to get visitors to your site. The best of these traffic sources is search traffic from Google and other search engines. The reason traffic from Google is so valuable is that it allows you to focus on a highly targeted group of people. You ultimately need people to make purchases if you want to earn any money, so you don't want random or uninterested people on your site. With Google Search, you know exactly what someone is looking for and can create content that targets the people that are interested in your products. Keep in mind that not all keywords are the same. While you want to target search terms with high search volume, you also want to ensure that the keywords have purchase intent and are not just general queries. 3. Promote products that people are actively searching to buy. After you hone in on good keyword targets, your next focus is to choose the products you want to promote. There are several key qualities to look for, which we'll go through in the next few steps of our guide on how to make money as an affiliate marketer. The first is to promote affiliate products with consistent demand. The thought behind this is simple. You need to promote products that people are actually searching for if you hope to generate sales from your marketing efforts. When you are creating your plan to get targeted traffic, you will naturally get an idea of the types of products people are searching for. The process will also expose you to specific solutions and brands so that you know the top options in your niche. While looking for products with an active interest, keep an eye on the level of competition in the niche. The more competitive the keywords are for certain types of products, the harder it will be for you to rank and drive traffic to your site. 4. Promote products that sell. In addition to marketing actively searched products, it is vital that you promote products that sell. By this, I mean promoting products with a high conversion rate. Conversion rate is a metric that measures the percentage of people that complete a purchase after seeing your products. A high conversion rate means you are drawing maximum value from your web traffic. When searching for high-converting products, start by identifying the best solutions in your market. High-quality products from trustworthy brands will naturally perform better than those that aren't as good. Price is another important factor that you'll need to consider. Generally, lower-priced products convert at a higher rate than more expensive ones. 5. Promote products that offer high affiliate commissions. High-converting products will help you make money with affiliate marketing, but it is also important to promote products that pay high commissions. If you earn higher commissions for each order, you need fewer sales to hit your income goals. To put this in perspective, let's review a couple of different scenarios. In the first instance, you promote common consumer goods from Amazon that cost between $10 and $20. The affiliate program pays a 5% commission per sale, so you'll get $0.50 to $1 per sale. If you were to convert 10% of your traffic, it would take 10 visitors to make $1 and 1,000 visitors to make $100. 6. Optimize your affiliate links to get more clicks. Affiliate links are how you earn money for sales. When a customer buys an affiliate product after clicking your link, the affiliate merchant will credit you with the sale and pay you the appropriate commission as agreed upon in the program details. So the best products won't do much good if no one clicks your affiliate links. This is why it is important to optimize your link placements to maximize the number of people that click them. Now, this doesn't mean you should throw links anywhere and everywhere throughout your content. You only want to add links where they are appropriate and shouldn't include them when they don't fit into your content. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.